Hey guys, so we have Mike's car here today. It's a slate gray convertible Gen 3, gorgeous car. We were helping him do some diag work over the phone, found out that his wires on the passenger side were kind of shot and arcing to the engine and whatnot, so recommended that he did wires and whatnot, so he ended up shipping it up to us. We did the wires on it, did the plugs on it, still was running like crap. So the next best thing is, usually when that stuff happens, you have bad misfires, it usually destroys the cat. And in this case, oh, that's the good one. Not that you can really see that, but there's no cat. It's all in pieces. It's totally destroyed. So he's gonna need a new set of cats, and then he'll be back on the road and good to go for the year.